In Kisima, Samburu County, Grekkon undertook a project to secure reliable irrigation for a 4-acre vegetable farm. The work involved installing a 0.5mm thick dam liner and a solar-powered submersible water pump in a carefully prepared water reservoir. The water pan, measuring 16 meters in length, 14 meters in width, and 4 meters in depth, was first prepared for lining. This meant clearing all debris, leveling the base, and constructing a tucking trench along the perimeter. This trench ensures that the liner is held firmly in place, preventing movement or damage once the reservoir is filled. This liner is crucial for minimizing seepage, ensuring that the harvested rainwater remains securely stored for long-term farm use. With the liner in place, the pan is now fully functional for rainwater harvesting. Every rainfall is an opportunity to recharge the reservoir, guaranteeing a sustainable water supply, even in Samburu's dry conditions. Next, the team installed a solar-powered submersible pump inside the reservoir. This pump draws water directly from the lined pan and delivers it to the farm efficiently. Being solar-powered, it operates at zero energy cost, making irrigation both sustainable and affordable. Finally, the system was connected to supply water to the 4-acre vegetable farm. With reliable irrigation now in place, the farmer enjoys year-round production, improved yields, and freedom from costly diesel or electricity bills. This project reflects Grekkon's commitment to providing practical, cost-effective water solutions that empower farmers to thrive, even in arid regions.